Okay, so here's the that's the squirrel cage type fan. Here's just the fabricated top made out of this depron material. Here's the plenum ductwork. Now what I did differently here is I splayed it open like that, since it's going to the wide part of the ceiling fan. And basically you get an idea of the shape here. And that's all there is to it. And this little indentation, it curves in a little bit. Let me set this up and explain a little bit. So the shunt tube rides right in here. That's why it has to curve in a little bit this way. It can't just be straight down. Curves in around the shunt tube and then comes back out. Now the thing I want to do to record this one last time is at one time I had contemplated cutting out a section of this fold over lip to make more room for the fan. I really don't like modifying their cage in case I ever want to put it back. So what I'm going to do to make this work a little bit smoother is I'm going to have this fan section set so it actually curves inward. It'll start further out from the edge here. It'll come in some, and then it'll curve out. So this will be more of a slope this way and a slope this way, allowing the fan to set more, a little bit further back from the edge, giving me a little more clearance. It's kind of tight right here. I mean, this works, but it's not ideal. The fan actually comes into contact with the metal, and that'll transmit vibration and noise. So one more refinement, and I think it'll be just about perfect. But this worked really well. I mean, the fan was the flyback was barely warm after I think I got it about 120 degrees at the very hottest spot, which is fine. Before that it was hitting 180 plus, so and it was dripping wax everywhere, and it's not doing it now. So I feel this is going to work just fine. I just have to refine that a little bit, but as you can see, I think that's going to work. I'll probably incorporate this on this kind of a deal on all my vintage color sets, at least the ones that tend to run warm, which are the RCAs. The Zeniths don't seem to have much of a problem. I don't know, they run pretty warm too, but I've never seen any wax dripping, and I've never had a Zenith flyback fail. I've seen a lot of really sorry looking RCAs, so I need to go ahead and address that heat issue. This stuff here, a little thin on the top. I might make a thicker piece here to deal with that so it doesn't sag too much here. And plus, you see I have an air vent here that's actually cracked away. I needed that to put more room in there in order to put the temperature sensing device. But this top section can be done a little bit better too. But again, the whole idea is to make this completely reversible as far as putting it back to the original thing. The only thing I've done here is remove the top that pivots out of the line. Anyway, more to come. Thank you for watching.